The reason that we hold these presentations is that so many people don't get to ever meet the people who run the money. Fund managers like Patrick have spent their entire careers working out how to protect and grow wealth for clients. What we try and make sure when we bring along to these presentations is to reduce the complexity of what they do in small parts that clients can go, I understand more and more about how investing works, to ensure that our clients have confidence to grow their retirement wealth with us.
The whole fundamental team at Macquarie and myself set up Firetrail in February of 2018, and we brought across two funds, the Firetrail High Conviction Fund and the Absolute Return Fund. So we launched those in February and we really haven't looked back. It's all about where are the opportunities. So we're happy to buy deep value companies that might have high dividends and not a lot of growth. We're happy to buy high growth companies that might not have a lot of earnings today, but there's super earnings in 2, 3, 4 years time. And again, that doesn't constrain us to large cap or small cap or industrials, resources. We look at all parts of the market to add value for clients. So it's all about time in the market rather than timing the market. So for our view, even last year, the market was down 12% in that fourth quarter of 2018, but it's already rallied 14% since its lows. 98% of my money are in the funds. So I've got about 60% in the High Conviction Fund and the remaining 40% in the Absolute Return Fund. To me, investing in equities, you need a long-term view. It is a long game at the end of the day. Don't try to time the market. The hardest thing you can do is pick the next fall or pick the next upside, if you like. And it's allowing the compounding effect add value for your retirement savings going forward. I think that's the key thing with equities. If you've got a 7-year view, it's time in the market, and through time, the Aussie equity market's added 9% on average over a rolling 7-year period for well over 30 years now. So it's about being patient and time in the market, we believe.
Yeah, absolutely. It's confidence building, and it just allows me to relax a little bit more, knowing that my money and my wealth is in good hands.
The whole staff are fantastic. Just from everyone we've dealt with, which is a number of them now, nothing's ever too difficult, and they're always really happy to help.
And the team at Capital Focus really relate it well, and you can sort of understand them. There's no jargon or anything like that.
They make it back to the real world for me, because I don't understand all the really heavy financial side of things. So I found that really good, to real life experiences and everything.
Just get in there, stay with it, pick something good and go with it.
The moral of the story is to keep your nerve in investing and leave it to the professionals who know what they're doing.
And it's really nice to see the passion these people have behind investing funds, knowing that they're growing things for other people, but also what they get out of it themselves. So
best one yet, I reckon. Yeah. I really enjoy these events coming along, and the food's good, and the speakers are always interesting, and I always walk away having learned something from these sessions. Yeah.